concept, which is F&O ban. See, the moment I use this word, you are banned. It gives us a bad feeling, right? But to be very honest, in F&O, if a stock is under F&O ban, it doesn't mean that the fundamentals have gone from good to bad or something bad news has come in the company, nothing of that sort. Okay. Then what is F&O ban? In simple words, if the open interest in a specific security, in a specific share has gone beyond the limits, many open positions are there. Okay, if the specified limit के भी ऊपर हो जाता है, if it goes beyond the specified limit, then the market says it's going into too much of speculation zone. Lot of people are building single-sided positions. Let's not go ahead with that. Let's stop fresh entry into that futures contract now. Okay, so you can imagine something like this. If you remember, we had taken that example of India-Pakistan match. Okay, if more than 95% people are saying India, 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 okay, now that will create a buzz that something is terribly happening and great chances that India will only win. Of course, India versus Pakistan, if we are talking about people in India, everyone is going to say India, obviously. But assume that we are taking this poll with people who are neither from India nor from Pakistan. All are from different countries and they are very much, not in favor of any of these countries. Okay, and they are very rational people. So you can imagine 100 people from America, Europe, China and all that, and they are asked who will win, India or Pakistan. Okay, now we can say if more than 95% people are saying India, can I say a euphoria is created? Okay, people are feeling that something is happening and there are great chances. Now, more and more people will start betting India, India, India. Okay, and can I say this can go haywire also? Okay, more and more people entering excessively in a single-sided trade, a single-sided country in our example. Can it lead to a lot of single-sided speculation? Answer is yes. And to curb this single-sided speculation, F&O ban concept was introduced, wherein SEBI said, okay, you have this as a limit. You can't go beyond this limit. If you go beyond this limit, the security will be under F&O ban. And now I'm sure you have this question, what is the limit? Okay, for that, let's understand this. It says that the limit is nothing but a market-wide position limit, which is known as MWPL. Okay, your market-wide position limit can be maximum 20% of your free float market capitalization. Okay, I'll be like, what is free float market capitalization? If you remember, day one also I told that this concept has been cleared in basics of stock market lecture series. But then to make this concept more clear, let me quickly tell you one example. Okay, assume that a company has 1,000 shares. Okay, we are 1,000 crore shares. Let us say 1,000 crore worth of shares is the total amount of a specific company's shares, and out of that 600 crore shares are held by the promoters. Okay, do you think promoter is going to do a daily buying and selling of his own stocks? No, promoter will generally keep it with themselves. Okay, what is balance? Balance is 400 crores. This is invested by who? 400 crores. Who are the parties? Who are the investors? Could be public. Public means whom? Could be institutional investors. Could be FIIs. Could be retail individual investors. Okay, insurance companies. Okay, all these people. Do you think they are going to hold on to their stock tightly forever? They are going to do buying and selling and buying and selling, and that is why this is free float. Okay, this is going to float from one person's hand to other person's hand, and that is why in our example, out of 1,000 crore worth shares, 600 crore worth shares were held by whom? Promoters. And 400 crore shares are available with whom? People like you and me. Institutional investors, insurance companies like you, and mutual funds. This 400 crores will be termed as what? Free float market capitalization. Okay, I'm sure you know what is market capitalization. Okay, so now what is the next step that we have to do? We have to calculate 20% of what? 20% of free float market capitalization, not total market capitalization. Okay, total market capitalization was how much? Total was 1,000 crores. And free float market capitalization is only 400 crores.
600 with promoters.
600 crore was with promoters. Okay, so 400 crores into 20% is what you have to do. Answer will be 80 crores. Okay, so 80 crores is your what? MWPL. And what is MWPL? Market wide position limit. Okay. Okay. Now the position limit is set. Now we have this in our mind. 20 crores is our market wide position limit. Now what is the rule? Sorry, what was that? 80 crores. Did I say 20 crores? Sorry. 20% of 400 crores, which is 80 crores. Okay. Now please understand what is the rule. The rule is that the total value of trades, okay, I'm repeating, rule is that total value of trades in both futures and options combined, futures ke trades plus options ke trade, both combined, total value of your trades should not cross 95% of MWPL. Okay. Now I don't have a calculator. The earlier mathematical calculation was easy. Could you please calculate 80 crores into 95%? 76 crores. Fantastic. Okay. So what is 76 crores? That is the limit. Okay. So what did we say right now? That is the limit to ensure that the stock doesn't go in F&O ban. Okay. So one more time, please understand. Some people might get confused at this. So let's understand step by step. What was step number 1? Step number 1, are we going to focus on total market capitalization or only free float market capitalization? Only free float market capitalization. What is free float market capitalization? The number of shares held by people like you and me, the institutional investors and all that, multiplied by current market price, that is going to be a free float market capitalization. Uska how much percentage? Uska 20%. In our example, it was 400 crore into 20%, which was 80 crores. Okay. What is the next step that we have to do? This 80 crores, this MWPL, market wide position limit, into 95% is what we have to calculate. Okay. And that 95% was coming to 76 crores. Okay. Now let's understand what is the next point. Next point is that if it crosses 95%, what crosses 95%?
The positions,
the outstanding positions.
Open interest.
The total outstanding positions, total open positions. I'm not talking about squared off positions. I'm talking about open positions. If the total open positions cross 95%, then exchange announces that the stock will go in F&O ban. Okay. Now what do you mean by stock will go in F&O ban? Does it mean I can't buy that share? You can buy that share. Wait. You can buy that share. What can't you buy? You can't buy the futures. You can't take a trade in futures. You can't take a trade in options also. Simple to hear. So it's an F&O ban, not a cash segment ban.
Okay.
Right? So you will not be able to take fresh positions in that. I'm stressing on this word. You can't take fresh positions in that. Why am I stressing on that? Please understand. Now assume that I had bought futures contract of, let us say, Idea. Okay, I bought Idea futures. And what happens is that the stock goes in F&O ban. Okay, now I'm stuck up. I have already bought a position. I've already bought futures of Idea. I want to sell it, but I can't sell it because it is in F&O ban. Will that happen? Will that happen? Answer is no. Why? Which word am I emphasizing every single time? You can't take fresh positions. In my case, I had already bought Idea futures. For me, square off is not a fresh position. It is just I'm closing out an existing position. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes. So last time I'm telling you, whenever a stock goes in F&O ban, the F&O entry is banned, not entry in cash segment, number 1. Number 2, can I take fresh positions? No. Can I square off my existing positions? Yes. Okay, till here. Now there is one more exception, small exception. Can I take a fresh position? Yes. Yes, but only during intraday trade. Remember, right now we discussed 2 points. One is intraday and one is NRML, overnight. So if I want to do an intraday trade, is that allowed? Yes, that is still allowed. But before the day closes, you have to mandatorily square off your position. So please tell me, ideally if the open positions go beyond 95%, will the stock go in F&O ban? Yes. But during the day, can it cross 95% also?
Yes.
Yes. But at the end of the day, It can't go haywire. Okay. Acha, when it comes for the first time in F&O ban, now please understand, first time when it is going in F&O ban, can the positions be way higher than 95%? Can it be 98%? Can it be 99% also? Yes, it can be. First time when it is going in F&O ban means what? Let's understand. Does it happen that the market regulators are continuously in front of their monitors, okay, and they are saying, gone above 95%, ban. Okay, will that happen? No, that will not happen. Okay. When is F&O ban declared? At the end of the day. Okay, F&O ban is declared at the end of the day. And then when will the ban be applicable? Starting next day. Okay, F&O ban starts from the next trading day. In simple words, can you visualize something like this? That on NSE India website, please pay attention, on NSE India website, daily an Excel sheet is uploaded. And what will that Excel sheet tell you? That tomorrow these stocks are in the banned list.